Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 trigger isn't working properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises from wear and tear over time or from debris getting lodged in the mechanism. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage or even render your vacuum cleaner unusable, so it's important to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement trigger for the Dyson V10. To start, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Begin by carefully prizing open the casing of the Dyson V10 using a flathead screwdriver. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips that hold it together. Once open, locate the trigger mechanism. It should be situated near the handle. You might need to remove some screws to access it fully. These screws are typically Phillips head, and you should apply a moderate amount of force to loosen them. After removing the screws, gently pull the trigger mechanism out. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to it. You will need to disconnect these carefully using your tweezers. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old trigger is removed, take your new trigger and connect it in the same manner. Ensure all wires are securely attached and that the trigger is positioned correctly before replacing the screws. When reassembling, check that all clips are aligned and gently press the casing back together. Finally, test the trigger before securing all screws fully. It should engage smoothly without any resistance. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly clean around the trigger area to remove any dust or debris that could cause malfunctions. Avoid using excessive force when operating the trigger, as this can lead to premature wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.